busy right now? I bought some snacks. I thought we could sit around for a while. I know it's almost midnight, but I'm taking the day off tomorrow, so I don't have to get up as early as I usually do. And I thought that some time with my favorite roommate wouldn't be such a bad idea. Yes, I know you're my only roommate, so what? Okay, you look like you really hate the idea. Never mind then. I should have asked you before just showing up at your door like that. I'll be in my room if you need any. Oh, so you do like the idea. So, can I come in? Or... Okay, thanks. So, what were you doing before I came knocking? Oh, really? What's the book about? Sounds nice enough. I might give it a read whenever I can. Work. Work has been exhausting. Being your own boss isn't really all people think it's cracked up to be. Well, no, I wouldn't go that far. Honestly, I wouldn't go back to my old job, even if someone paid me millions to. Yeah, just like you said, it comes with its ups and downs. But when I seriously think about it, I think that I finally found what I want to do for the rest of my life. Well, definitely for the next few years, but we never know. Things might change. What about you? How is work going for you? Oh, are you okay? Are you sure? Oh, alright then. So how is work going for you? What do you mean? Look, I work from home, and I stay cooped up in my office all day long. I don't see my family and friends that much. It can get lonely. I just didn't want to spend the night alone, that's all. What do you mean you know me? We've been roommates for what now, like 7 months, and we barely see each other at all. My tell? What? I don't have a tell. Oh. I didn't know I had that. Do I really do that every time I lie? Well, I guess you got me there. Yes, I lied about the reason for my visit. Because I knew you wouldn't come to me, and I knew that if I just knocked on your door and said that I was here because I know you don't like thunder, you wouldn't admit it. In fact, I knew you would completely deny it. Are you kidding me? You would totally die on that hill. I guess I know you just as much as you know me. For what it's worth, I only partially lied. I really do feel lonely. Whenever I finish work, it feels like there's this gigantic, bottomless, and empty pit in my chest that I can't seem to fill, no matter how hard I try. Well, I suppose for the same reason you didn't come to me with your issue. Hey, you know you don't have to do that, right? Justify and try to rationalize your fears to me. It's not really how it works. I mean, I'm afraid of things that some of my own family members look down on me for, and they are afraid of things that don't frighten me at all. My point is, you don't owe anyone an explanation or a promise to change or anything. Well, we don't have to talk about it if it makes you uncomfortable. Unless it'll help you in some way. Alright. In that case, then, for me, whenever I see that a storm is coming, I just can't help it. I feel refreshed and I get to breathe an immense sigh of relief. It's like it's coming to wash away all of the residual pain and sadness that overstayed their welcome. And when I hear thunder, I feel vindicated, like the sky is growling and shouting all of my rage and frustrations out. What's with that reaction? I guess this brings me back to what I said before. No matter the words I choose, I'll never be able to rationalize my feelings about it or make it make sense. Hey, is there something you want to ask of me? Please, don't lie to me now. I think we've shared enough about each other to know that we can't lie to each other. Yes, of course I can hold you. Come here. See, that wasn't so hard now, was it? Shush, no need to thank me. Oh yeah, I am working on a new game. This one is about a little girl that ventures into a completely new dimension in order to save her brother. So, since she's human, she doesn't have any powers, and thus, she has to outsmart the dwellers of that realm that threaten her. I'm pretty much finished with the design of the puzzles and all. I actually want to get back to the characters and give them, I don't know, more substance, more zest. There is a final boss, yes, but to be honest, I have been struggling for quite a while with that one. Well, I don't know how to put it really. I'll just say that the powers that I gave them don't match the overall atmosphere at all. The power to control the weather. Yeah, I suppose that would fit in well enough. Yeah, I think I could work with that. You know what I just realized? the design of my main character reminds me of you. So, I think I accidentally got inspired by looking at you. I can totally change it if you're not comfortable with it. Oh, really? You don't mind? That's really awesome. Thank you. I guess you'll be fighting a fiendish, thunderous foe very soon. Tell you what, if the game does well, and I pray it does, I will offer you a gift of your own choosing. How does that sound? I know I don't have to. I want to. I think you deserve it. You really are one of the best human beings that I've ever met. Yes, I'm not joking. One simply cannot joke about these matters. Hey, do you want to try and sleep? I'll stay here if you want me to. Yeah, of course. I'll do that for you. Don't mention it,